Hey there, science fans! Imagine your body is like a bustling city. We've got transportation systems, energy plants, and even recycling centers. And just like any city, we need workers to keep everything running smoothly, right? Well, in our bodies, those workers are enzymes. Enzymes are like the unsung heroes of our cells, doing all sorts of important jobs that we never even think about. They're busy building new molecules, breaking down old ones, and even fighting off invaders. Pretty impressive, huh? Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are these enzymes, and how do they do all this amazing stuff? Well, get ready to be amazed because we're about to take a closer look at the incredible world of enzymes. So, what exactly an enzyme? In the simplest terms, enzymes are special proteins that help speed up chemical reactions in your body. Think of them like tiny machines that make everything run more efficiently. Without enzymes, many of the processes that are essential for life would happen way too slowly. It'd be like trying to build a skyscraper with your bare hands. Possible, but it would take a really, really long time. But enzymes aren't just fast workers, they're also incredibly specific. Each enzyme has a unique shape that allows it to interact with only certain molecules, kind of like how a key only fits into a specific lock. This is where things get really interesting. Let's talk about how enzymes actually work. Scientists have come up with some cool models to help explain this, and my favorite is the lock and key model. Imagine the enzyme is like a lock, and the molecule it's trying to work on is like a key. Only the right key, the molecule, will fit into the lock, the enzyme. When the key fits, it triggers a change in the enzyme, making it even better at its job. Scientists call this the induced fit model, kind of like a handshake that gets firmer when you meet someone you like. But here's the really cool part. Enzymes don't just make things happen, they also make them happen. They do this by lowering something called activation energy, which is like the energy kickstart that any chemical reaction needs to get going. Let's take an example. Think about what happens when you eat a delicious slice of pizza. Your body needs to break down those carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into smaller molecules that it can actually use. That's where digestive enzymes come in. One of these hard-working enzymes is called amylase, and it's found in your saliva. Amylase breaks down starch, a type of carbohydrate, into simpler sugars. It's like a tiny chef in your mouth, pre-chopping your food before it even reaches your stomach. And that's just the beginning. As the pizza continues its journey through your digestive system, it encounters all sorts of other enzymes, each with its own specific job to do. These enzymes work together in a carefully orchestrated symphony of chemical reactions, breaking down food and releasing energy to power your body. Pretty amazing, right?